Up to now, we've only created very simple select statements that will just bring back every single row in a given table. But we're going to learn how to really push way beyond that boundary beginning in this lesson. In fact, in this lesson, what I want to do is talk about the where clause in a select statement. And so, for example, we have just been doing something like this, select star from authors up to this point, right? And then executing it. And here we can see that all the rows of data that have been brought back. But what if I want to filter and only bring back those that have been added in December, as opposed to those that were added prior to that? So I might do something like a select star from authors where date added is greater than December, or greater than or equal to, let's do that one, December 1, 2016, and we should only see 2 rows of data come back, right? So I'm using operators like I would in C# or JavaScript, or in any mathematical operation, in this case the greater than or equal to. What if I had gotten rid of the greater than and just said, show me all the authors where the date added is December 1st, 2016. I'd only see Herman Melville. Or what if I had just said greater than December 1st, 2016? I'd only see John Steinbeck. Okay, so you can see the exclusivity and the inclusivity of the different operators that I can use inside of my where clause. What if we want to not only look at how many or which ones have been added, but then also, well, let's find something better to work with here. Let's work with the books instead. So select star from books. Let's start there and see what we're working with here. All right. So select star from books where price is greater than, let's say $7. All right. Let's execute that. Okay, so there's 3, and image name is not null. And we only see 2. Okay, so I was able to add the and increase the improve or filter the data even further by adding another clause. Now, I might put these on separate lines in order to make them a little more readable, like so. And we've already talked about filtering out the columns. So in this case, I could just say, give me the title and the description. Let's go ahead and wrap that one. And then also the price. And we wouldn't have to see the image name, but we would know that the image name is not null, all right, and the price is greater than $7. Okay, so that is the use of the where statement, or the where clause rather. We can use it to do some sort of evaluation of an expression to filter out which rows are brought back. We can add additional clauses in our where statement by using the and keyword. We can use either mathematical operators for dates and numbers, or we can use something that's a little bit more English-like. In this case, is not null, all right, in order to determine whether a given column is null or not. So there's going to be a lot more to learn with the where clause, but this will get you started, give you enough to practice this in the very next challenge. It'll be a lot simpler than the first challenge, just to find some data that meets certain criteria. Okay, so give it a shot in the next video, and we'll also have a solution video for you for that challenge. We'll see you there. Thanks.